This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling some of the new animal Gable boxes. We have an elephant, a hippo, and a lion, and these all coordinate with the new birthday pop-ups. So I did go ahead and put the panels on already. And while I have used solid colors on mine, it would be really cute to use pattern paper like a gingham or checker, or even to emboss your pieces for your animals. So here I have the elephant. And you will just want to, even though I'm just checking it now for symmetry. So these are symmetrical, so it doesn't matter which one, which piece goes where. So in case you decide to do the base of your box a different color other than the base color of your animal, you do have a piece to put on. The back is just blank. Of course, you wouldn't have a face on the back of your head, so that's why there is only a face for one side. And I'm just going to put glue on this. I have inked around the edges to help with the monotony of the color. Give it a little bit of dimension. For assembling the face of the elephant, it's pretty straightforward. The first thing you're going to do is put the backing on for the eyes and the mouth. And then this is the inside of the ears, and you'll see that your head lines up just right in the center. So these are very quick and simple. And the other nice thing about these is that when you're done with them, you can just pop the bottom out and then you can fold them flat. So you can make them in advance, or you can save them for another gathering. And then again, we're just going to line this up here with the top and the bottom. And then just put on his trunk. The trunk would be cute, I think, popped up with a dot. So I'm just going to grab these out here from under my desk. And I'm going to glue my dots on. I've been having problems with them staying long term. When I go and get my cards out later, if I've used these little dots, the piece I've attached just pops right off. Some ink on my finger. So I'm going to glue mine on. And then put the head right in place. So these would be really cute for even like a circus theme birthday. And because they go together so quickly, you can make a bunch in a short period of time. The box itself is relatively small, but you can enlarge it. I'm grabbing my ruler. So the box is almost 3¼ by 2, and the height stands 6 inches tall with the head. The box itself is 2¼ inches tall. So it's a good favor size, a small gift box. If you wanted to put a gift card in it, it could hold a gift card. And then so because of his ears, you're going to have to finagle your tabs in there. But there's your elephant. Now let's put our lion together. Now I've put the panels on him, and these panels typically go right here. But because of his hair, I've decided to leave the top panel off on mine. Now this is one because the hair is going in a direction that you have to make sure you have the right piece for the front and the back. Okay, so we will go ahead and put this on. And again, it's just the back of the head, so there's just the one piece for the back. These would make cute little shower favors. Now, the lion has several pieces. I'm going to put his snout together. Just like the elephant, you put the black in place for the eyes. And then the inside of the ears is going to go on next. That's your lighter colored piece. And then glue this on the head. I'm going to glue my pop dot on. Because I'm gluing them, I have to hold it an extra few seconds just to give it time to adhere. And then I'm going to glue this, lining it up with the bottom of his head. And then I'm just going to center his head here in his mane. And then we would do the same thing, close him up. I like to fold this both ways to make sure I've got that glued well. And close him up. That is the lion. And then we have a hippo. So again, just check to make sure the piece you choose for the back fits well, because I did mirror them to make sure when the box was closed, if there was a difference, that it would line up correctly. Okay. Now let's take main face. And then this piece is going to go just like this. I wanted the holes in the snout, or whatever this, I don't know if it's a snout on a hippo, but I wanted it to be just a lighter shade of the main shade. It looked weird to have his nose, nostrils black. There was too much happening on his face. So that's why I have the cutout here in the center of the head for the mouth. There is the hippo. So as you can see, all three of them are very quick and simple to put together. It's not going to take you a lot of time. It's a nice size for a favor box. Okay, so there's a hippo, a lion, and an elephant. Thank you for joining me.